Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can add a token to your Phantom wallet. So for this, first of all, you need to have two Phantom wallet accounts. You can see all of these cryptocurrencies. What you're going to have to do is on the account that you want to add a token, you'll press on receive. And from here you can see all these options: Solana, Ethereum, Base, Polygon, Bitcoin. Let's go with Solana. If you want to go with any other, you can do that. The process is generally the same. So you'll press on this. Now here you have a QR code and an address for deposit. You'll copy this right below. Since this is a much simpler method than QR code if you're doing this on the same device, so you will copy this. When you say copied, that means you've copied it. Now you will go back and now you will go on account 2. This is your second account where you should have money for sending tokens on account 1. You'll press on send. From here, we'll just go with Solana. Again, just make sure you select the same token in both account 1 and account 2. If you choose different, of course, it won't work. So if you've chosen Solana on your first account, you will choose Solana on your second. So you'll press Solana right here. And it's giving you an option to paste from clipboard. You can just press that as well. You can manually paste it as well. You'll press on next, and from here you'll choose how much you want to send, and that's pretty much it. You will just tap on next and you will confirm, and then in your Phantom wallet address you will have the Solana tokens. The process is generally the same for any other token. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.